Ness-ana TV. Okay, friends, welcome back to the class. Are you ready? Colors. Colors. Our topic for today is colors. Can you say that? Again, colors. We are going to be talking about the different types of colors that we have. Can you see that? Colors. The first one we have here is red. R-E-D. Red. Can you say that? Red. Blue. Blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Can you say that? Blue. Yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Pink. P-I-N-K. Pink. Can you say that? Pink. Purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. Can you say that? Purple. Black. Black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Green. White. White. W-H-I-T-E. White. Can you see that? White. Brown. Brown. B-R-O-W-N. Brown. Good job, boys and girls. Let me give you a round of applause. Very good. All right, boys and girls, let's repeat it again. Red. Red balloons. Red. Blue. Blue balloons. Blue. Yellow. Yellow. Pink. Pink. This is a pink color. Purple. Purple. Purple balloons. Black. Black. This is a black balloon. Green. Green. Can you say that? Good job. White. White. Brown. Brown. Very good, boys and girls. That will be the end of today's class. Bye.